Okay, let's pour our water into our pan. Now let's pour our diced tomatoes into our pan. Now let's add our salt and pepper, our basil and parsley, our bay leaves, and our tomato paste. Just like this. Now let's pour our hamburger in there. This is already brown hamburger. And now let's move on to our next step. Okay, now let's mix this, just like this. And now let's let this simmer for 1 hour. Okay, now let's boil our lasagna noodles. So just stick them in there, just like this. Take them, careful with them, just like this. Drop them in there, and they'll fall themselves. I'll show you the next step. Okay, now let's preheat our oven to 375 degrees. Okay, now let's assemble. Okay, let's take our noodles. And now let's add our sauce. Spread it. And now let's take our cottage cheese, just like this. And just keep putting it on. Now let's take our cheese. And do that to each layer, just like that. And now let's move on to our next step. Now let's put Parmesan cheese over the top. And let's move on to the next step. Okay, now let's bake it for 30 minutes at 375 degrees. And I'll show you the finished product. This is our finished product.